All right, boys, welcome back to the channel. It is time to see what we created. So, boy, how you doing? Huh? Doing good? That's not good. All right, and just a lesson for you guys, learn from my mistakes. If you disconnect something, make sure you plug it right back in. Probably as close as I'm gonna get to not having people around me, so let's slow it down, do a 1 2, maybe a little bit of 3. Yeah, it needs more RPM. Yeah, that rev limiter that we had on before with the old turbo, that ain't gonna cut it anymore. This thing's starting to breathe whenever I get to the red line. So before on the old turbo, since the power came on so soon, I had, you know, full boost pretty much like from 4,500 all the way to almost 8,000, and you know, the power curve would kind of start tapering off once we got into the higher RPM, just because of the smaller turbo. That's what happens. But with this one, since it's like significantly bigger than what we had on before, the power, or you know, the fun starts like around 5,500 RPM, 6,000. So I get to that red line way too quick. We need to turn this baby up maybe 8,500, 8,700 RPM. On my Supra, I have it set up to 9,100 RPM, 9,100 RPMs, but I don't really take it that far unless I, you know, really have to, which unfortunately I've had too many times. Even on my Supra, I'm gonna turn it down from 9,100 maybe to like 87, 80, around 8,700 RPM. I think that's what this one needs too. God damn. This mother is moving. Dude, that's low boost. That is wastegate pressure. We still have about another 500-600 horsepower on top of that. Jesus Christ. Sound like the same car anymore. Holy shit. Oh. Holy shit, the power band feels so different. Obviously it's a big ass turbo. It feels like a different car. the same car. It don't feel like the same car. It don't sound like the same car. Woo! This thing needs a lot more RPM now. A lot more RPM now. Before with the smaller turbo, it would spool up a lot sooner. I will say this car on low boost feels really good. This is like the lowest boost you can get. That's awesome, man. Seeing their smile on their face, to me that's like 10 times better than going out and racing, man. Just sharing this with people, that's what it's about for me, man. That makes me very happy. God, I can't get over how good this car sounds. The way it sounds under power, like that 2-3 shift, holy smokes. Behind me, and then this guy here. Oh, he's recording me. Pull up, baby. Yep. You guys saw the boys over there? Won't be doing that. Say, man, God takes care of me. He always gives me a sign. If I would have done a hit right there, the cops would have been right there just waiting for my ass. Thank you, Jesus. Sounds good. I don't want to say it. but damn, it almost sounds better than mine. And I think it might. Oh man. Dude, I think I might have to do that T51R mod on the turbo that I have for my Supra. Because god damn it, that sounds good. Jesus, bro, the way that sounds. You know, whenever I finished this car, you guys, whenever I finished this car a few days ago, like I sat down, right? I just grabbed a chair and sat down right in front of it, dude, and I got a little bit emotional. You know, because, you know, my Supra, obviously, yes, it's very, very special, extremely fast, you know, best of the best on everything. But I didn't get to build that one from scratch like the way I did this car. I've literally built everything on this car myself. It's an amazing feeling knowing that I had the skills to build something like this. I built this. I built this. Catch y'all later, boys.